Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact HEC barcode type so the scanner uses the right decode profile. Open your scanner app and grant camera permission. This lets the software access live frames. Position the barcode in the center of the viewfinder, about 30 to 60 cm away, and align the long axis horizontally. Keep lighting even, avoid glare. Once the app shows a focused preview, you're ready to capture. Don't tap yet. Let the autofocus settle for a clean read. Frame the HEC barcode inside the app's guides and allow autofocus plus exposure lock to stabilize. This reduces misreads. Then either tap capture or let the app autoscan. You'll see a green frame or hear a confirmation beep when decoding succeeds. Immediately review the decoded fields on screen. Confirm the HEC ID, timestamp, and any numeric checksums. If values match expectations, tap Save or Export. If you need batch scans, enable continuous mode. Once data validates, export to CSV or push to the target system using the app's export function. Make sure your field mapping matches the destination schema. Save the original image for audit trails and log who scanned and when, because traceability matters. If a scan repeatedly fails, increase contrast, tilt the device slightly, or move closer. Sometimes switching to a different angle eliminates glare. As a last resort, enter the HEC code manually. This ensures continuity while you troubleshoot the camera, lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.